Welcome to our channel. Website speed directly impacts both user experience and search engine rankings, making performance optimization essential for online success. Step 1. Test your current website speed using tools like Google Page, Speed Insights, or GTmetrix to establish a baseline and identify specific issues. Step 2. Optimize images by compressing them without visible quality loss using tools like TinyPNG or ImageOptim, as images are typically the largest files on web pages. Step 3. Enable browser caching by configuring your web server to tell browsers to store static assets locally, reducing repeated downloads for returning visitors. Step 4. Minify CSS, JavaScript, and HTML by removing unnecessary characters like whitespace and comments, reducing file sizes without affecting functionality. Step 5. Implement Content Delivery Network to serve your static assets from servers geographically closer to your visitors, dramatically improving load times worldwide. Step 6. Enable compression on your web server using gzip or Brotli to reduce the size of files transmitted to browsers. Step 7. Lazy load images and videos below the fold so they only load when users scroll to them, improving initial page load time. Step 8. Reduce HTTP requests by combining CSS files, using CSS sprites for icons, and eliminating unnecessary plugins or scripts. Step 9. Optimize your web fonts by using only the character sets you need and considering system fonts which don't require downloading. Step 10. Implement critical CSS inline in your HTML head to render above-the-fold content immediately while deferring non-critical styles. Your website is now loading faster and ranking better in search results. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.